Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Okay, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to rock your hips. I also call it the hip bounce. It's this move right here. You can call it whatever you want. It's a super popular dance move that is used in a lot of dances, especially on TikTok. So today I'm gonna break it down step by step for you guys. Alright, so you wanna have your right leg in the front, left leg in the back, or you can actually also do the opposite if you want, but let's do it like this. And then you want to make sure that most of your weight is on the back leg, alright? So let me show it from the side here. Most of the weight on this back leg, so you're free to move this leg, okay? Now what you want you to practice is go a bit down the level, so bend your knees, and then you want to flick your heel on the front leg out to the side. Notice how my knees go inwards, 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 inwards. Just practice that a few times. Once you can do that, then you can actually just do this move just by doing the leg boom, 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 boom without that much hip movement, all right? But if you can involve the hip as well, you want to go shoot out your hip like that, back, out, back, out, back, and just practice that, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Now it's important that you have most of your weight on your back leg here, so you're free to move this one. You can also lean a bit back if that helps, okay? Now obviously you don't have to exaggerate like I am, I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing, but you can also do like a more subtle version if you want to. Hey, hey. And then the arms, of course, you can do way, so let me just show it from the side here, way, and then I switch the other one. Yeah, so go way, 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 way. That's one way to do it. You know, you can also do whatever you want with your arms. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.